How to get Temu discount. Now, Temu discount may not be available for everybody, but you can go ahead and double check if you have um, active or usable coupon codes that you can use for you to have a discount. So you simply access your Temu account by just logging into your username and password, and then by here just head directly to orders and account. Now this process is letting us get to the field of our existing coupons that we can use. Now in this portion of the page, just head directly to coupons and offers. So as you can see under coupons and offers, you should be able to see if they are unused, used, or expired. So as you can see on expired part, we have a certain amount of discounts that is no longer available because it is already expired. So if you don't have any existing coupons that you can use available, then you can try to go to this site that's going to be called couponfollow.com, and then just look for Timo right here and search for a store. And in here you can take advantage with existing coupons, which we can lower down your discount. And that's how you get discount on Timo.